Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can subscribe in YouTube Kids. It's quite simple, so let me teach you. Go to youtubekids.com and click on any video. You can go to its channel and click on subscribe. Let me show it to you once again. Click on any video and then go to his channel and click subscribe, or you can simply click subscribe from the outside. So if you click subscribe, this content will be shown to your kids channel or your kids page. So this was a video on how you can subscribe on YouTube Kids. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.